time to February levels at the first week this August. It's Friday, August 9th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Annapolis Real Estate Report. Rates now hover just under 7% for most loan products. While Annapolis continues to see some rise in inventory, homes are going under contract quickly and selling for list price or higher. We continue to keep an eye on the trends. Stay tuned. Meanwhile, there are currently 147 homes for sale in Annapolis, dropping from last week's high, and there are 21 homes coming soon. 30 homes went under contract in 10 days since last report. 30 homes sold at 100% list-to-sold ratio, and in 8 days. Rentals rose again this week, hitting 39 at $2,800 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 9th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.